Sometimes when Mia plays with the wipes, she startles herself, and it's really funny. Let's see if it happens. I would say it's her favorite toy and her worst enemy. Today it seems like it's just her favorite toy. Let's watch. Uh-oh. Where'd it go? Where'd it go? Hey, you did it.